Getting in shape from home has never been easier, and resistance bands are one of the most effective and affordable tools you can add to your fitness arsenal. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gym goer, these versatile bands can level up your workouts by targeting every major muscle group. In this video, we'll go over the top 15 resistance bands on Amazon that will help you build strength, improve flexibility, and tone your entire body from the comfort of your home. Make sure to check out the links in the description to grab your favorite picks. 1. TRX Go Suspension Trainer System. This is more than just a resistance band, it's a complete bodyweight training system trusted by athletes, military personnel, and fitness pros around the world. The TRX Go is lightweight and portable, making it perfect for small spaces or taking on the go. With its door anchor and adjustable straps, you can perform hundreds of exercises, from squats and lunges to chest presses and rows. It comes with a training guide and access to digital workouts, helping you stay consistent and motivated. 2. Fit Simplify Resistance Loop Bands. This highly rated set includes 5 bands with increasing resistance levels, making it ideal for users at any fitness stage. Whether you're doing physical therapy, yoga, Pilates, or strength training, these loops are simple but effective. Their compact size also makes them great for travel, and the natural latex material is both durable and gentle on the skin. Additionally, the color-coded design helps users easily identify the resistance level they need, ensuring a seamless transition between exercises. Each band offers consistent tension, allowing for targeted muscle engagement and gradual progression over time. The included carry bag and workout guide make it easy to stay on track, whether you're at home, in the gym, or on the go. 3. HPYGN Resistance Bands take things up a notch. These long loop bands come with door anchors, handles, and ankle straps, offering a full gym experience in a single set. They're especially great for those who want to do more than just bodyweight resistance, add variety to your chest, back, and leg workouts. The included workout guide helps beginners get started, and the durable materials ensure they'll hold up over time. With multiple resistance levels that can be combined for increased intensity, users can tailor their workouts to match their fitness goals, whether it's toning, muscle building, or rehab. The sturdy door anchor system allows for a wide range of upper and lower body exercises without needing bulky equipment, making it a space-saving solution for home workouts or travel. The padded handles and ankle straps provide extra comfort and stability, reducing strain during high-rep sessions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced athlete, the customizable combinations of resistance make it easy to tailor your workouts to your fitness goals. 4. Ring Resistance Bands for Working Out. This multifunctional set features 5 stackable bands and includes extras like handles, a door anchor, and a carry bag. What sets it apart is the clear weight labeling on each band, allowing you to track and adjust your resistance level easily. It's excellent for strength training, physical therapy, or stretching before and after intense workouts. 5. Bodelastics Resistance Band Set is a solid investment. Known for its anti-snap technology, this set features bands with an internal safety cord, reducing the risk of injury. The bands are stackable up to 96 pounds of resistance, making them ideal for heavy lifters who want a safe way to train at home. The ergonomic handles and high-end attachments make every rep smoother and more comfortable. 6. Bob and Brad Resistance Bands. These were developed by physical therapists known for their expertise in pain-free training. These bands are designed with comfort and rehabilitation in mind. They come in color-coded resistance levels and are latex-free, making them a great option for people with allergies. Whether you're rehabbing an injury or just want to warm up effectively, this set is a top-tier pick. 7. Bella Booty Hip Band with slip-resistant padding is a must-have for lower body workouts. Designed for comfort and grip, this band stays in place during squats, bridges, and lunges. The soft padding prevents rolling or pinching, making it ideal for anyone who struggles with traditional resistance bands sliding during workouts. It's especially popular for targeting glutes and hip muscles. 8. Woodfitter's Pull-Up Assistance Band. This heavy-duty band is built to help you crush your first pull-up or increase reps if you're more advanced. It's also great for mobility work, stretching, and strength building. Available in multiple resistance levels, you can choose the perfect band based on your weight and training goals. a solid option for CrossFitters, powerlifters, or anyone wanting to boost upper body strength. 9. Gym Reaper's pull-up resistance bands bring durability and strength together. Whether you're doing assisted pull-ups, barbell resistance training, or stretching out tight muscles, this set offers multiple resistance levels to match your progress and workout goals. The bands are color-coded for easy identification. 10. Half Bear Pull-Up Assistance Bands are another versatile choice. These bands come in for different levels of resistance, perfect for all fitness stages. The strong natural latex material ensures a long lifespan, while the simple design makes them easy to add to any routine. Use them to level up your squats, push-ups, or mobility drills. 11. Instar Multifunction Resistance Bands offer something unique. They resemble a cable machine in band form. With their military-grade construction and removable handles, they can mimic gym-style workouts without the bulk. The adjustable resistance makes them great for both beginners and advanced users, and the bar attachment can be used for bicep curls, chest presses, and more. 12. Gymby Premium Resistance Bands are popular among women for good reason. This set of fabric bands comes in different levels of resistance and includes a carry bag. They're great for glute activation, toning thighs, and improving flexibility. Plus, the non-slip design means no more bunching or rolling during those intense leg days. 13. Beak Resistance Bands set is a full-body gym in a bag. The kit includes multiple bands, handles, ankle straps, and a door anchor. It's perfect for those who want to work out at home with a wide variety of exercises. The stackable system lets you adjust resistance up to 150 pounds, so you can grow stronger without needing additional equipment. 14. Arena Strength Resistance Bands are designed specifically for glute and leg training. These fabric bands offer great resistance without slipping or digging into your skin. Used by trainers around the world, they're ideal for booty building, toning thighs, and adding resistance to your squats and lunges. 15. What a Feet Resistance Band Set. This gives you a comprehensive setup for both upper and lower body workouts. With color-coded bands that go from light to extra heavy, plus handles, ankle straps, and a door anchor, this set has everything you need to hit every muscle group effectively. It's also one of the best value sets on Amazon for the quality and versatility you get. And there you have it, the top 15 resistance bands on Amazon that can elevate your full-body workouts, no matter your fitness level. From improving strength to enhancing mobility and flexibility, each band on this list brings something unique to your routine, whether you're a beginner or a pro. All product links are in the description, so feel free to explore the ones that caught your interest. Every purchase supports the channel. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, share it with fellow fitness enthusiasts, and subscribe for more gear reviews. Drop a comment below telling us which resistance band you're most interested in, and let us know what fitness products you'd love to see covered next.